How to appear offline on Grindr even when online. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can appear offline on Grindr even when you are online. So to do that, first of all, go to your Grindr app and then simply make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you're logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to simply tap on your profile icon on the top left corner of your screen. After that, this type of page will appear where you can see the option online, and just right to it you can see the option incognito. Simply tap on it and then it will say to buy a monthly premium. So it will cost $39.99 in the first month, and if you want you can also buy extra, but if you buy the unlimited package, which is $39.99, you will be able to go incognito mode, meaning you will be able to appear offline even when you are online on Grindr. So as of now, that was the only way on how you can appear offline even when online on Grindr. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.